Hi students, welcome to plus 1 classes. Myself Shima Mohan, your computer science teacher. So actually this is a in orientation video. In this video I am going to explain the content that we are going to discuss this year, or what are the chapters that we are going to discuss this year, and also I will explain the mark distribution of this subject. Okay, hope you all are safe at your home. Then we can start. So first we will discuss the part 1 textbook contents. So you have two textbooks this year, part 1 and part 2 textbook. So in part 1 we are discussing the basic features of computer or the fundamentals of computer, and the next section we are going to start a new programming language called C++. So it is a computer science subject, so definitely you want to learn some languages. So this year we are dealing with one language, and next year we will discuss some web technology languages. So first we will start the contents that we are going to discuss this year. By a slide I am going to explain this. Okay, let us look at the first slide. So the first part, textbook content. First chapter is discipline of computing. Discipline of computing indicates the evolution of machines from abacus, that means the generations of computer, and evolution of computer, different machines that we are going to discuss, the journey from abacus to supercomputer. That is our first chapter. Second chapter, data representation and Boolean algebra. It is relating to mathematics. How we are converting number into binary language. Actually, it is a theory section. So many problems will be there. Then third chapter is components of the computer system. Components of computer system. Here we are dealing with hardware and softwares. Computer hardwares and softwares. Then fourth chapter, principles of programming and problem solving. Then fifth chapter, introduction to C++ programming, and last chapter or the first volume is data types and operator. So from the fifth chapter onwards we are beginning C++ programming. Fundamentals or basic things we are discussing first. After that we are continuing the programs. Okay, then. So this is the first textbook or first volume content, and second one 7. That means your second volume textbook contents. We will start with the 7th chapter, control statement. From this chapter onwards we are going to start writing C++ programs. Okay, from 7th chapter onwards. Then 8th chapter, arrays. Okay, some of the students are from ICT, they know what is mean by arrays, because arrays also a topic relating to programming. The next one, string handling and input-output function. This also programming. That means this is also relating to programming. Then computer, next chapter is unit 10, functions. And this also contains some programming terms. Then after that, computer network. It is a full theory chapter. It contains different types of networking and also the terms that we are using in networking. Then our last chapter was internet and mobile computing. Actually it is an assignment chapter, or from this chapter we are dealing with so many assignments and also seminars. This is relating to application, or this is entirely an application level topic. So these are the two textbook content, or these are the chapters that we are dealing in your plus 1. Okay, actually this is the content, and I pasted the textbook page. Actually it is your textbook first page. What are the contents that we are going to discuss this year? So we are dealing with the program. So definitely we need full attention from starting onwards, because all the lessons are interconnected. Okay, all the lessons are interconnected, especially from introduction to C++, because we are learning a new language called C++. Okay, then, so this is the chapter wise information. What are the chapters and what are the contents that we are going to discuss this year. And next one, okay, we already learned about the syllabus, what are the topics, everything we learned from the pictures. And next one is mark distribution of this subject, or how many mark you are getting from computer science subject. Okay, this year you already know, this year we had a good result in plus 1, plus 2 and also SSLC also. But in plus 1, 50 students appeared for the exam. From that 50 students, 47 got A plus in computer science because our paper was very good and also all of them scored good mark in computer. So one thing is common is that if you study well and if you write the exam well, definitely you can score full mark in computer because so many shortcut methods are available and also programming questions will come. So you don't want to write essay as an answer or essay type answer or paragraph wise answer for computer science, because if you know the answer, that means especially in computer, instead of paragraph or essay type question, they will ask predict the output and one word question and also short answer type question will come. So if you write exam well, then definitely you can score good mark in computer science. And also computer is relating to practical. So definitely practical will be there, but in +1 there is no practical. We are starting our practical section in second year onwards because in first year you want to study C++ program first. Once you completed the C++ program, then we can start writing C++ programs. Then after that, we can start our practical section. So immediately after completing all the lessons, then only we can start our practical section. Okay, so next one is mark distribution. How many marks you are getting in first year? In first year, there are two sections are available, theory mark and CE mark. Theory mark, definitely you want to score. Maximum mark is 60 mark. Okay, then next one is CE mark. CE mark means the teachers are giving marks. Okay, teachers are giving mark. If you are submitting your assignment in time and also if you are behaving properly in class and if you are scoring good mark in your exams, especially midterm exam, terminal exam, in all the exams, if you are scoring good mark, then definitely you will get 20 mark as your CE mark. Okay, this is belonging to your behavior, how you are presenting in class or how we are interacting with the teachers and how you are scoring mark in your subject. Okay, the CE mark is belonging to that concept. So if you are behaving properly in the class, then definitely you can score 20 mark. So total score that you can earn first year is 80 marks. Okay, 60 theory mark and 20 mark is for CE mark. Okay, then second year, one more term is available, that is called practical. Okay, one more section we are including, that is practical. So theory section in second year also, theory you can get 60 mark, then again CE mark also is the 20 mark. So total 80 mark and then remaining 40 mark is for the practical. Okay, for practical there are two languages are available. One is C++ and second one is HTML. Then actually it is an option HTML or SQL. Any two languages you can select, but C++ is common. Okay, so this is the total mark contribution or total mark for your computer science. So +1 you can score 80 mark and +2 80 plus 40. Okay, so total 200. So this is your mark distribution. So it is not an easy subject. Computer science is not an easy subject. It is relating to programming language. So definitely in the beginning section you can found some kinds of difficulties because you are learning a new subject. Okay, first you learn the basics, then it will be easy for you. Actually all the chapters are interconnected. Starting from the 4th chapter. Okay, we are beginning principles of programming. That means we are beginning programming section. So all these chapters are interconnected. So if you are studying regularly, then the subject will be easy for you. If you are not studying regularly, then it will be very complex to score mark in computer science. Okay, so this is the mark distribution and this is the pattern of computer science. Okay, so I think this first video, this is enough to include, because in next video onwards we will start our chapters. Okay, so hope you understood the lessons and the contents of the textbook and also the mark distribution. How many mark you can earn from this year using your theory and also CE mark. Okay, so actually we are sending videos to the students. Then they want to watch the video. After watching the video, they want to write notes. So immediately after watching the video, you want to write notes. Especially I will give questions. That questions answer definitely you want to write in your notebook. Okay, so be regular in your studies. What is the platform, if it is virtual or not, you want to study. One thing is common, you want to study. Okay, then only you can score good mark in your board examination, because +1 you are going to write board examination. At the end of the year, definitely you want to write board examination. What is the platform, whatever is the condition, one thing is common, you want to study. Okay, so be good student and be regular in your studies. Please study all the subject, not computer, all the subjects you want to study, and also you want to score good mark in your +1. Okay, hope you understood the subjects and also the mark distribution of computer. So the remaining, that means in the next video onwards, I will start the chapter. Okay, hope you all are safe at your home. Okay then, thank you.